this channel. On this channel, I share videos on how you can use the things around you to have a smooth and healthy looking skin. So what is stretch marks? Stretch marks is when your skin stretches beyond the point it's supposed to. So that is why a lot of pregnant women and a lot of people that are overweight tend to have stretch marks. So if you are pregnant or you are overweight or you have stretch marks, try and watch this video till the end. There are two things you should always do to prevent you from having stretch marks. Number one, make sure you stay hydrated always. Take a lot of water daily. And for our pregnant women, make sure you stay hydrated too. And also, whenever your stomach itches you, rub coconut oil or shea butter or this ointment I'm going to share with you on this video. Make sure you rub it in a circular way on your stomach. So let's get right into the video. But before we continue, if you've not subscribed to this channel, please do so by clicking the red subscribe button down below, and also don't forget to leave a thumbs up and like this video. Your comments and your questions are also welcome in the comment section.